Hi everyone, I'm Valeria from Data School Cohort 21, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add divider lines to a dashboard. I've got this very basic dashboard showing sales performance using sample superstore data. I've got my charts and KPIs where I'd like them to be, but I'd like to add a bit more visual structure to the dashboard because at the moment it seems like everything has just been thrown together onto a blank canvas. So what I'm going to do is add a couple of divider lines to separate the different parts of the view. And the easiest way to do it is by using blank objects. So I'm going to grab my first blank object and drop it in between my sales and profit KPIs. I'm going to go into the Layout tab and change the background to a light grey color. And then I'm going to go into the options and select Edit Width. I want my line to be quite thin, and I know that by default Tableau adds a 4-pixel padding on all objects. So if I select the width of 10 pixels, the actual grey line will only be 2 pixels wide, as 8 pixels will be taken by the padding on the left and right. So I'll hit OK, and one last thing I'd like to do here is add a bit more padding on the top and bottom just to make that line a little bit shorter. So I'll go into outer padding again, uncheck all sides equal, and change the top and bottom padding to 20. So that's it. I've got my first line, so I can go ahead and draw another line between profit and quantity. So another blank object, change the background color, edit the width, 10 point, and some additional padding. All right, so now to separate the KPIs from the bottom part of the dashboard, I'd like to include a horizontal line. I'm going to grab another blank object and drop it in between my two halves of the dashboard. I'm going to go into Layout again, and maybe I'll choose a slightly darker color this time. And I also want to make this line a little thicker than the other ones, so I will edit the height to make it 11 pixels. And again, I'll add a bit more padding on the left and right, just so it doesn't go to the very edge of the dashboard. Now, I probably want to add a bit more breathing space above and below the line, so I'll go into the outer padding again and change the top and bottom to 10 point. And that's it. With just a few clicks, the dashboard looks a lot more structured now. I could probably add another line in between the bar chart and the map, but it's exactly the same procedure, so you get the idea. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you now feel more confident to draw lines in Tableau using blanks. Check the description of this video for links to additional materials. And if you enjoyed this video, check out my colleague Priya's tutorial where she shows how to format chart labels. Click the link on the screen to watch it next.